It's almost 7:45 in the morning. She's a coming. It was kind of green though, so I'm hoping that hoping it's just heavy rain. Here she comes. Holy cow. Wow. I haven't seen it rain like that for a long time. Wow. Look at it, it's just coming down in sheets. Wow. Almost missed it. Getting my corn sprayed. Woo! Pretty cool, huh? Well, I suppose I ought to do a little crop update. Haven't done anything like that for a while. So, I don't know if I'll show that clip before or whatever, but this corn got sprayed the other day. So we had about maybe 200 acres sprayed. So I guess we'll find out. The one farm by town had them spray part of that, and they did it against the rows, so should be able to see a fine line, I would think. But yeah, beans should probably be sprayed with fungicide pretty soon, but yeah, they're looking pretty good. Haven't really found any aphids or anything, so I've been trying to hold off a little bit. We've been hot and dry now here again for, I don't know, probably a week or so, but ended up getting about 3 inches the last 2 weeks, so it really made a huge difference. So down on the bottom canopy of the corn, you can see it's pretty green all the way to the bottom, so which is good. I'll open this up and come back. And obviously I'm just here on the end rows, but studded. Pop one open, I've opened I don't know, 3 or 4 of them now. This one's 18 around. One thing I've noticed, the kernels around are pretty good. Must have been when we had decent moisture yet, but must have been when it was determining how many kernels long to put on. It must have been when we were hot and dry, because they're pretty short. Like this one's only like 30 some kernels long, which I don't know, if it fills them all out, it'd be fine. But the ear's a pretty good size, you know, it's pretty good size already. But so maybe it'll be surprising, but we're gonna need more moisture. But it's everything's looking pretty good for the most part. So one thing, I thought it was when we were real hot and dry, because this is a light area here, but this is not all due to drought. This is herbicide carryover. Crazy kids. I sprayed Impact last year on the corn, just Impact and Roundup, which Impact's pretty easy on corn, but obviously when you're really dry for the next year, it's really hard on beans. So that's pretty severe. But luckily it's just a couple little spots, it's not that big a deal. So, but right here we got a test plot. I think there's 4 different varieties, which this is going to screw up the one, which I was probably about most excited, because I think it's right here. It's 6 rows, or no, can't remember. I had the same variety, treated and non-treated. I was kind of hoping to see a difference there. So the rest of these were all treated beans, the only treated beans that I planted. So I don't know, we got them all the way to the other end of the field, so maybe we'll do that end of the field or something. But the problem is, you get over farther that way, then there's another light spot. So I don't know, it's gonna be kind of skewed a little bit, but it'll be interesting to see if there's much difference. Some of our 30-inch rows are closed in, but some of them aren't so much. But yeah, could use another rain, but stuff sure looks a lot better after that rain that we had. So anyways, that's a little crop update for you.